Hello, welcome to Able God Kitchen's channel. Today we want to cook vegetable soup with just 5,000 naira. Do well to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and also leave a comment. I placed my pot on the fire and I added my palm oil. I added my onions and I added my locust bean, washed locust bean. I stirred it together and I waited for a few seconds for the locust bean and the onion to disseminate its flavor inside the oil. I added my roughly blended pepper with onions. I added it to the pot. The pepper consists of tomato, cayenne pepper, shombo, and scotch bonnet pepper atarodo with onions, and I blended it roughly. I added it to the pot. I stirred everything together, and I added my seasoning cubes. Firstly, I added my fish stew seasoning, and I added my seasoning cube. I added my salt as well, and I stirred everything together again. I added my thoroughly washed cow skin, also called momo in Yoruba. I have removed all the stones and the dirt from this momo before cutting it into pieces, and I added it to the stew and stirred together. I also added my banla smoked fish. I've washed the stone and the dirt from it before adding it to my stew. Kindly note that the stew is yet to be fried. I added the momo and the fish in the beginning like this so that it can marinate into the stew. I stirred everything together gently so that the fish can sit properly into the stew. I tasted the crayfish that I bought and I noticed it has stones. So I washed properly and I blended it in the blender. So kindly take notes of all the ingredients we are using for this our 5k vegetable soup. For I'll be analyzing the prices of each of the items soon. I stirred everything together gently and I covered my pot for 30 minutes. I opened my pot after 30 minutes and our stew is fried to some extent. I removed all the fish from the stew. Hope you are taking notes of all the ingredients that I have used so far because I'll be analyzing the prices of each of the items after I have added my vegetables to the stew. After I have removed all the fishes from the stew, I covered back my pot for the stew to be a little bit fried because I wouldn't want the vegetable to be watery. And if your stew is not properly fried, the vegetable can be watery. So I covered the pot back and for just 5 to 10 minutes and before adding my vegetable to it. Here comes the outcome of a properly fried stew. I added my vegetable to her stew, to her fried stew. Note that this vegetable has been properly washed and cleaned from stone before adding it to the stew. Behind the camera, I have scent leaf in my compound, so I've already cut some of it, cut it into pieces and added it to my vegetable. So here is the scent leaf. It can also be called efirin in Yoruba. After I have added my vegetable leaves, I stirred everything together very well. I stirred it so well because I wanted the scent leaf to spread into the vegetable. I didn't want a part to have scent leaf and another part shouldn't have scent leaf. So I made sure I stirred very well. Then I added smoked panla fish. The fish we removed from our stew the other time. So I added it to the vegetable now. I added the fish one after the other because I didn't want the fish to squeeze into the vegetable. So I added it one after the other and I placed it on top of my vegetable. Then I left it on the fire on a low heat after I've added the fish and to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. And here comes the outcome of it. Please note that after you have put your vegetable into your stew, don't cover your pot back because you wouldn't want the vegetable to be so soft. Now our vegetable soup is ready. It's ready for consumption. Let's analyze the prices of each of the ingredients that we use in making this 5k vegetable soup. I bought momo 1000 naira. I bought mala fish 2000 naira, and that is 3000 naira. I estimated my pepper and onions to be 1000 naira. Let's analyze it together. Tomato 500 naira. Rodo, the scotch bonnet pepper 200 naira. Shombo, the cayenne pepper 200 naira, and onions 100 naira. If you had the pepper, the 1000 naira pepper to the 2000 naira panla fish and pama 1000, everything is 4000 naira now. I also bought vegetable 200 naira in the market. I bought locust bean 200 naira and I bought crayfish 200 naira, making 600 naira. So let's estimate palm oil to be 400 naira and we have 1000 naira, making 5000 naira together for our 5k vegetable soup. Here comes the final look and the outcome of our vegetable soup. Let me know if you're going to be trying this out. Leave a comment for me and I promise to reply. Kindly click on the subscription button to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button as well to like my video. Thank you so much. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.